Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Trend Predictor Indicator for MT4. This custom MT4 tool analyzes historical price action and market dynamics to forecast likely trend direction, giving you forward-looking guidance on potential price movements rather than only reading the past. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now, the Trend Predictor MT4 plots predictive trend information directly on your price chart, highlighting where its algorithm expects price to move in the short or longer term. By analyzing historical data, price action, volatility, and sentiment, it suggests whether an uptrend or downtrend is more likely to continue or reverse. As you can see over here, this is the indicator. As you can see, it plotted a predictive candle to show the direction. Now, these predictions translate into visual guidance on potential entry and exit areas, so you can line up trades with anticipated direction instead of reacting only after trends are obvious. Now we have the inputs, some of the color settings for the bull and the bear candle and the candle body. I'm changing it so we can see. Now, behind the scenes, the indicator algorithm examines past price movement, volatility, and market sentiment, and may incorporate other technical tools such as moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and MACD to refine its forecast. Now, who is this indicator for? The Trend Predictor MT4 suits traders who want structured predictive insight to supplement their analysis and reduce reliance on subjective judgment. It is not infallible, and like all tools based on historical data, can produce false or late predictions, especially around unexpected events or sudden regime shifts. Forex Geek stresses that it should be used as one layer within a broader toolkit that includes other technical indicators and robust risk management, rather than as a standalone decision engine. You can find the download link in the description below. I can also read the full Trend Predictor MT4 article, including how it works, benefits, installation steps, and strategy ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.